Looping statements in Java are constructs that allow a certain block of code to be repeated multiple times, simplifying the process of executing repetitive tasks. They provide a concise and efficient way to handle iterations. There are three main types of looping statements in Java. 1. For loop. The for loop provides a compact way to iterate over a range of values. It consists of three parts: initialization, condition, and update. Syntax. Look at the syntax properly. Example. Here in example, loop iterates until I value is 5 and increments I after each iteration. 2. While loop. The while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. Syntax. Look at the syntax properly. Example. Here the loop continues to execute as long as I is less than 5, incrementing I after each iteration. 3. Do-while loop. The do-while loop is similar to the while loop, but it ensures that the code block is executed at least once before checking the condition. Syntax. Look at the syntax properly. Example. Here in example, this loop prints the message at least once and continues executing as long as I is less than 5. These looping statements empower programmers to iterate through collections, perform calculations, and execute code based on certain conditions. Choosing the right type of loop depends on the specific requirements of your program, making Java a flexible and expressive language for handling repetitive tasks. See you again. Thank you.